Hi. Can you believe, Dean, we are making our own sprinkles
Should be fun.
for cake? And I just think this is like the greatest thing ever. So here's the recipe that you're going to use when you do it. So it's 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And all, you know, always your colorings because you want different colors. So these are going to taste way better than the ones you buy because they're going to have this vanilla flavor. So the thing you want to do is have one of these bags and see that tip, that little circle? You're just going to drop it down in there. And you're going to cut the hole after you pour your stuff in there. But if you put this in a glass, it makes it a lot easier. So now what I did, which was super fun, and I had your input, Dean, because I was like, what colors do I mix to get different colors? So you can do your green, your blue, your red, and your yellow. Then you can mix the red and the blue for purple, and the yellow and the red for orange. Look at, so you're gonna pipe these out. Look at how fun, Dean.
Yeah.
So now these sat overnight, and this is on parchment paper. You wanna make sure you put it on wax paper or parchment paper. So you're just going to, your kids would love this. Can you imagine if you make Christmas cookies and they're like, Mom, we made these sprinkles. And the other thing that's nice is they're not coated with wax. And these will last up to a year in a container, you know, with a cover. So you're just gonna break these up. How fun is that? Look at how cute this looks. And listen, just like sprinkles. It's amazing. And I'm gonna taste that. Yum. And you did it. Give it a try. Keep smiling.